Hello, welcome to Learn Hmong the J way. In this video, I am going to show you how to download the Learn Hmong the J way free program, how to install it, and how to run it. So let's begin. Basically, you go to hmongdictionary.com website. Make sure you see the logo like this. And then on the right here is the link where you want to click. And you can read up on it, but basically at the top, I provide a link to my YouTube where you will see more information as far as how to use the program. Okay, but we want to download, so let's click on this free download right here. As soon as you click on it, you see that is downloading it to my download folder, and the file name is setup.zip. So click here to open in the download folder, and as you can see, it's right here. So you can unzip it. In my case, I just double click and I see there are two files, setup.exe and setup.msi. I double click on this file, and you might get this warning prompt. Okay, so if you don't want to run it, you click don't run it. But since I already know my program, I don't have any virus in it, so I click on more info right here, and then they'll tell you that the app is called this publisher. It's unknown for now, but it is for me. And then you click on run anyway. Okay, and then you'll see a screen that said it's going to install Learn Hmong the J way. So click next. You can pick a location. I just leave it the default, and then next. And then you get this warning as well. So just say yes. And then it will take like a minute or two to finish the process. Okay, it's at installation completed. Close. At this point, you should see an icon on your desktop like this, Learn Hmong. Okay, so to use it, you just double click on it.
Please read carefully before continue.
So for the first time, you have to read the terms of use. Okay, make sure you understand and agree. If you don't agree, just click decline. If you agree, just click on yes, I have read here. And then there it is.
Welcome to Learn Hmong the J way.
You even get a welcome to Learn Hmong the J way right here. Okay, and this is the main screen of the program. Again, like it's said here, you click on any consonant over here to study, to learn. For example, the first consonant, jaw, right? Since it's recorded by me, it sounds just like me live, but it's not. It's a recorded audio. Okay.
Do, de, gu, mua, I, tu, de, da. No, yo, tu, de, da.
I have a yellow dog. This is a yellow dog.
Again, if you want to know how to use this program extensively, go watch my separate video on how to use this program. Okay, but this is it for downloading, installing, and running the program. Thank you.